the world stage. This is exactly we aim to do in our college. Honorable Managing Trustee, Secretary and Treasurer of Popular Educational Trust, distinguished guest of honors, Honorable College Governing Council Chairman Professor P.O.J. Labba, Principal of PET Polytechnic and PET B.Ed College, media persons, and my dear staff, students, and parents, I am pleased to present the 22nd annual report of PET Engineering College. The annual report proves here testimony to the remarkable achievement of our faculty and students. The academic year 2018 to 19 has been an enchanting year with a lot of activities and many achievements by both our students and staffs. Hence, this year too we are striving towards foundation for the forthcoming eventful years for our college. We look forward to bring this institution eventful years for our college. We look forward to bring this institution, the Temple of Learning, as a center of excellence. I thank once again our management for their vision and commitment achieving our goal.
Eleven members are pursuing their research work towards PhD in government universities. Dr. S. Mooken, head of the Department of Mathematics, was awarded doctorate degree in the month of August 2019.
Many of our faculty participated in seminars, workshops, and conferences, thereby broadened their outlook in various subjects and thus sharpened their expertise in each field. Our staff members, Dr. S. Babu Rangarajan, Mrs. Shanmuga Sundari, Mrs. Bhagavati Lakshmi Ammal, acted as resource persons, judges, and chief guests in other colleges for various events.
Our students have left no stone unturned with regard to their performance in the university examination. Congratulations and sincere appreciation to the class toppers. Our student V. Amla of MCA department has brought laurels to her alma mater by securing the 22nd rank in the Anna University examinations. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of the individual. The fruit of the hard work of our teachers has reflected in the university results. Every faculty has dedicated oneself to help the students accomplish and come up with flying colors. 32 of our faculty members have produced 100% results in the 2019 Anna University examinations. The tireless efforts of our faculty has borne fruit. Faculty members have produced 90% results in the Anna University examinations.
It is to be mentioned that one senior tutor of EC department, one senior tutor of CSE department, and one of MCA department mentored and produced overall 90% results for their class in Anna University examinations during the year 2019.
In addition to bringing out the skills of the students, our faculty has shown keen interest in research activities and has participated in many workshops, seminars, faculty development programs, and conferences outside the college. 13 members of our faculty have attended faculty development program. Our principal, Dr. K. Madan Kumar, Mrs. C. Rekha, Mrs. S.I. Padma, Mrs. H. Riaz Fatima, and Mr. Mustafa Nawaz of EC, Dr. S. Mooken of Maths Department, Mr. T.M. Muhammad Usman of Civil Department, Mrs. B. Shanmagasundari, Mrs. I. Valliradhi of CSE Department, Mrs. V. Sharmila Kumari of Chemistry, and Mr. S. Subant Williams of EEE Department have made their publications in various journals. As a testimony to the versatility of the teachers, 4 of our teachers have published books. Our principal, Dr. K. Madan Kumar and Mustafa Nawaz of EC, Mrs. P. Shanmagasundari of CSE Department, Mrs. S.I. Padma of EC Department have published books in their respective areas of interest.
Every department conducts various workshops, seminars, conferences, interdepartmental competitions, and intra-departmental competitions to keep the students abreast of the latest technologies and sculpt them to face the global challenges.
The Humanities and Science Department has conducted 22nd Freshers Day and one-day symposium on innovation in science and technology to celebrate National Science Day.
The Department of Civil Engineering organized Face It and Peace Student Chapter, House of Livik intra-departmental competitions, and survey camp.
The Department of Computer Science Engineering conducted inaugural function of CSE Association, workshop on network infrastructure and management, and intra-departmental competitions.
Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering organized intra-departmental competitions Electrify 20.
Electronics and Communications organized workshop on scientific computing using MATLAB, embedded C coding, practical microstrip antenna design. They conducted webinar on banking overview, on-premise versus cloud by Mr. Prithivarajan Balakrishnan, UK for PG students.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering organized workshop on digital manufacturing system and road safety awareness program.
The Department of Master of Computer Applications organized state-level symposium MESCA 2020, Cracks 2019.
The Department of Master of Business Administration conducted Zest Moto 19. They conducted sales fair to promote the marketing skills of the students. They also celebrated the International Women's Day.
The Department of Civil and Mechanical jointly organized MECONS 19, a national-level technical symposium.
The Department of EEE and Mechanical jointly organized inaugural of Renewable Energy Club for the academic year 2019 and 2020.
C Electra, a one-day national symposium, was conducted by the Department of EEE, EC and CSE.
Carnival 2019 and intercollegiate competitions was held exclusively for polytechnic colleges at PET Engineering College on 18th and 19th of December 2019.
Vettipadigal 2019 was jointly organized by PET Engineering College Vallur and Pudhiya Thalamurai on 7th November 2019 for the plus 2 students of Cheran Magadevi Educational District. This program was conducted in accordance to the direction given by the Chief Educational Officer, Dr. I. Jagan. Ilaya Abdul Kalam, the chief guest, conducted the motivational program for the school students.
The 18th graduation day was conducted on 22nd February 2020. Mr. Kenneth Jaishilan, AGM Human Resource Learning and Development, Tata Consultancy Services, Chennai, delivered the graduation day address. 222 students received their degrees. There are even other several programs conducted by each department to shape the career and personality of the students which have not been mentioned because of time constraints.
Our students have proved their acumen in both technical and non-technical spheres. They have showed enthusiastic participation in various competitions held in other colleges. They have won 67 first prizes, 40 second prizes, and 7 third prizes.
Moreover, our students strengthened their personality by showing active participation in many events conducted by other colleges. Some of them are indeed lovers of art and literatures and bagged prizes in speaking contests, debates, pencil sketching, verse writing, etc.
P. Amudan of 3rd year Tripoli was selected in the finals out of 600 students in the Speak India debate contest conducted by the Federal Bank of India. Sivamurugan of 3rd year EC was selected to participate in the state level drawing competition conducted by IRTTA Fine Arts Club.
Mr. Venkatesh Nambi of final year CSC and Ms. Jayaprabha of final year MCA participated in the hackathon conducted by Atos Syntel IT Solution Company. It is a credit that they have been selected for the final round of the competition, for which results are yet to be announced. The winner will get internship and other prizes.
Though promoting high quality engineers and technocrats is the aim of our institution, the ultimate goal of every student and longing of every parent is to get placement. The vibrant placement cell of our college has conducted various skill training programs, on campus and off campus interviews. Regular interaction is arranged with industrial experts. As a result, many of our students, more than 100, have been placed in leading companies such as iWave Systems Technologies, Jilaba, Sayara, Syntel Hackathon Leagues, Zoy Fintech Private Limited, Sarada Motors, and other companies.
We got tie-ups with various academics like ICT Act, and we also signed an MOU with Shakti Auto Components Limited. Mr. Mohammad Usman, AP Civil, and Dr. S. Babu Rangarajan, Professor CSE, attended ICT Academy Bridge 2020, augmenting skills, accelerating growth on 26th March 2020. Organized at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras Research Park, Chennai, and received an Academic Partner Award on behalf of our college. In a transformation-focused business environment, engineers with demonstrable soft skills are just as crucial as technical acumen when carrying out day-to-day duties of engineering roles. This sharpening of soft skills is done through soft skill trainers, and in addition, special spoken English classes are conducted exclusively to improve the communication skills of the students. A 2-day motivational program entitled Power of Success was conducted on 11th and 12th November by Mr. T. Raghunath, psychologist and director of Relax Center, Chennai, for the first year UG and MBA students.
Games play a major role in keeping a person fit and fine. When students are physically fit, they will achieve more academically. The petals of PET Engineering College have excelled and has won laurels. To make a special mention, this year our college won 3rd place in the Anna University Zone 19 Sports Meet. Our college won 3rd place in the men's zonal level athletic meet and kabaddi tournament. This year, the annual sports day was conducted on 27/2/2020. 19 intramural games and 24 athletic events were conducted for students, and prizes were awarded for the winners and runners. Separate events were conducted for the staff, and they participated with zeal and zest. Individual championship for the boys was bagged by Mr. M. Michael Devasagaya Agwin of Final Year Mechanical Department and Miss M. Sandhya of Final Year Electrical and Electronics Engineering won individual championship for girls. Overall championship for boys was bagged by Yellow House, and for girls it was won by Red House.
Industrial visits are considered part of the college curriculum. The major objective of an industrial visit is to provide the students an insight regarding the internal working of companies. Every year, industrial visits are organized by each department to facilitate the students to combine theoretical knowledge with practical knowledge. Tours add spice to life. This year, the staff club of our college arranged a staff tour to Alappuzha with the major objective of providing relief from the routine life. It was indeed an exhilarating experience, and the staff came back to work fresh with renewed vigor.
Our college has always shown primary concern for community service. Clean Thamirabarani scheme was participated by our NSS volunteers enthusiastically. Our volunteers have rightly followed the motto of NSS, not me but you. Our NSS volunteers took up the fruitful task of involving themselves in Clean Thamirabarani scheme. Regarding the activities of YRC, in addition to blood donation on a regular basis, this year an awareness program on coronavirus was conducted on 10th February 2020. YRC Program Officer Mr. S.M. Mustafa Nawaz presented a seminar on the origin of the virus and what steps can be taken to protect ourselves from the virus.
Alumni cell of our college functions very actively with a good rapport with all its members. Every year, the alumni cell of our college sponsors 4 economically backward and meritorious students. We wish the forthcoming year